Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car, 2005 Toyota Prius 6.5. From 4 to 2009 are the same. The only thing that I believe 2003, 2 and 1, they have a proximity without a smart entrance. Like this one here, you can have the key in your pocket and the car will start. You don't need to put it in the slot, but sometimes you can cancel it or it could be canceled. We finished programming the key. The immobilizer part of it is different, but we try to program the remote. It doesn't work. It say that from 2005 you have to use the tools if the emblem is silver, and this emblem is silver, it doesn't work. So I try to do, you see here, this light is blinking, but nothing is work. So I'm trying to do the manual step and see if it's work. If it doesn't work, something could be wrong with the car, or something could be wrong somewhere. This key is from the dealer by VIN number, which is supposed to be correct. So let's go ahead and you're gonna follow my step, what I'm gonna do. So first, you say that key in the ignition, open the driver door. Now take the key out. Now you gotta put the key in the ignition within 5 seconds 2 times. So 1, 2, close the door, open it, close, open 2 times. Now put the key in the ignition again, take it out, close the door, open it, close the door, open it. Okay, now put the key in the ignition, close the door, push the button 3 times. 1,